1991 Toyota MR2. Really beautiful car. You don't see these every day. A really nice color too. He brought it in. It's got a rear mounted engine in it. So anyways, he brought it in. It's already got a system on it and it's just way too loud. He has a 3-inch system all the way back. What kind of system? Do you know the name of the system?
It's just an aftermarket one.
Just an aftermarket system?
Yeah.
But the issue with it is way too loud. You just can't take the noise no more. So he's gonna bring it back. We're gonna put a cat on it because it's got a catless downpipe right now. So hopefully he'll bring it back. We'll put a cat on it and then take this whole system off and put his original, which is right here, on. And we're gonna custom bend everything for him to make everything fit. But I said, you don't see these cars every day. So I said, we'll let you guys hear it with the aftermarket system on it for your viewing pleasure. And this is the original system that comes on them. It quiets it down a lot. So there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Those are 4-inch tips on each side. 2.0 MR2 1991 Turbo. Turbo. It's not that loud, man. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Yeah, anytime it goes over 100, that's when it drones inside. So when you're getting on it, that's when you really hear, right? Yeah, I understand, man. That's awesome. It's really cleanly done, though, man. I like it. Toyota MR2. Yeah, little by little. Give it gas.